Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to make an auto furnace. An auto furnace is great for when you're in survival and you don't have time to sit there and wait. So what you'd need: one furnace, something to smelt, 3 hoppers, 1 ladder, 2 trapdoors, and as many coal blocks as you can, or it can be coal, and something to smelt. So first, we're going to start by placing that there. Furnace here. Then you break a 2 deep trench under in like a triangle, like this. It has to be this way, or if you wanted, it can be this way here on this side. So what we're going to do, hold on, I also forgot to mention, you need 1 barrel. So what you do, shift, grab a hopper, place it so it has to face down. Put a barrel, so this will collect all our resources. You put 1 ladder, 1 trapdoor. Then you put 1 trapdoor here. You can open it anyway, you put it there. Basically this will cover the floor up so that you can walk over it. Next, 1 hopper facing that way. And then 1 hopper facing this way. So we have 2 hoppers here, different. So this one can have coal go into it, and then this one can have iron. Then look, waiting for all this to be filled in, and then I think I did it wrong. Now I should give it a try. I don't know why it's not working. Hold on. I'm sorry for holding you up. Try it on force. Just my actual auto furnace, when I built my other one in my actual base, had this here and 1 on top. So what I did, I need to throw it up here. That something didn't work. Okay. One sec. Then basically it's now an auto furnace. This one here. Yeah, this one. So whenever it runs out, it can instantly restocks it. See? This one's for coal. If you really wanted, what you could do is label it. That's what I'm exactly going to do right now. Get sign, place it, put coal, not cola, coal. Up here, you put the Melting. Oh! There, you got your auto furnace. Then what you can do, basically, if you have lots of resources and you can't be bothered, you just throw them all in. Basically this. Once all the copper's finished smelting, then if you're wondering, look, when the arrow fills up, you're wondering where the things it's going, so it's immediately gone. Well, if you remember this, chances you have, here it is. Prove that I'm not placing it there myself. Look, it just went up. None in my inventory. Because it's going through this hopper. And then it gets placed into the barrel. And basically, that's your auto furnace. Comment to make if this thing has helped, if this auto furnace has helped. I mean to break up there. So, as well, in this video, I'm not just building an auto furnace. I'm going to show you how to build a working flying machine. Because most people want to build one of those in their base. Because, to be honest, they're quite cool. You need observer, sticky piston. Then you need slime and honey. And then for this step you need obsidian and a trapdoor. Obsidian stops it. Use any other block, it'll just take the block with it. And then a trapdoor. So we're going to bring it over here. There. So you need obsidian to stop it as well, by the way. That's why I put the trapdoor there. If the trapdoor startles it, makes it go. Now I'm gonna use it. The auto furnace is still cooking. I know what I'm gonna do. Every place needs a seat. So if you want to make a seat, I think it will work, or you can just slap a vote on the honey. But you use the tap to break the mic up, sorry. If you have the rail sideways, it's less likely it's going to do that. Yes! So just keep going until it reaches that. This is the simplest flying machine to get. So, I want to get soul campfires. I want to get rid of my junk. Oops, built it on the wrong side. I'm looking at the bridge obsidian. Just build this the other way round. I didn't mean to. Nope. I order you to stop. Apparently the machine doesn't want me giving it orders, so we're gonna have to go forcefully. Didn't have to switch these pistons around to make it go the other way, but well, this is cool. Suppose I made one that goes up, but I'll do that in another video. Tell you what, I'll make a deal. This video gets 20 likes. I'll do a tutorial on how to make a flying machine go up. As well, I just thought of an upgrade for my auto furnace. So if you don't want to throw your items into Hopper because of other players, you could just go ahead and steal that. Then I see your point. You are 100% correct if you're playing on a server. But if you're solo, then it don't matter. But you can basically throw whatever you're fueling into this one here, and throw whatever you're smelting to that one. So I'm going to end it here. Hope you have a great day and enjoy. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you really want to. If you have any ideas on what you want me to do next. I'm still waiting. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in months. Goodbye.